Hey everyone, this is Mike, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to get to Alishan National Forest, one of Taiwan's best nature locations. To get to Alishan, you will have to take either the high-speed rail, or HSR, or the train, or TRA, to Chiayi Station. Then from Chiayi Station, you will take a 2-hour bus ride up the mountain to Alishan National Forest. The one-way bus ride to Alishan costs either 240 or 278 NT, depending on if you're going from the TRA or HSR station. A massive disclaimer, the road up the mountain is extremely windy, and my friend got really car sick. If you're the type to get car sick easily, I highly recommend some Dramamine or whatever helps you get through car sickness. My friend and I took the HSR, so this video will show you the directions from the HSR station. But just know that the TRA station will essentially have the same steps. When you arrive at the HSR station, walk through the corridor and then exit the stalls. Take the escalators down to the ground floor. There's a visitor information booth to the right of the escalator. When I went up to Alishan, our bus was at bus bay number 7, and I'm sure this detail could change, so you should double check with the booth. Everyone who works at the HSR station speaks English, so you shouldn't have any trouble communicating.
No American service. Yeah. Sorry. Okay. 140.
After checking in with the information booth, take exit 2 out of the HSR station. Right outside, there might be some taxi drivers standing around trying to get customers. And while this is definitely an option to get up Alishan, it's probably way cheaper to take the bus. Outside the HSR station, you will see rows of buses. When I went up to Alishan, my bus was at bus bay 7, but I'm assuming this may not always be the case, so remember to check with the visitor information booth. The screens at each bus bay will also display Chinese and English, so confirm that the last stop for your bus is Alishan. For the bus fare, make sure you either have at least 240 or 278 NT on your Easy card or the exact change. Okay, so just a little story about our trip. Before we departed, the bus driver actually went up to each passenger in the bus and made sure everyone was buckled in tightly. And my friend and I actually thought this was really weird because bus drivers don't usually do this. And the ride started off fairly normal, but then started to get crazy as we ascended the mountain. The driver was driving so fast through the windy roads, it actually made my friend the most carsick he's ever been in his entire life. Initially, we thought it was just the roads, but then on the way down from Alishan, the bus driver was going at normal speeds, so we know that it was actually the driver that we had on the way up. So my friend and I, in hindsight, joked that the driver was actually trying to set a record for getting up the mountain. He was driving the bus like he was in the Fast and the Furious, trying to speed run to the top. So again, please make sure you bring some Dramamine or whatever helps you get over car sickness. After the 2-hour ride, the bus will reach the Alishan Transport Station, which is basically the visitor center right outside the entrance to the National Forest. When you get off the bus, there is a 7-Eleven inside the visitor center where you can get refreshments or stock up on supplies. There's also a much-needed bathroom right next to the 7-Eleven. Right outside the visitor center is the entrance to Alishan National Forest, where you can pay to enter the park. The entrance fee for Alishan National Forest is 300 NT per adult, or about $10 US. However, if you ride by bus and show your bus ticket, you can receive a 50% discount, making the fee 150 NT, or about $5 US. After entering, you have several options. You can begin exploring the park by foot, or you can walk about 5 to 10 minutes uphill to Alishan train station, or you can take a train to other areas further into the park. My friend and I were staying at the Alishan Hotel inside the park, which has a free shuttle van that takes you from the Alishan Transport Station to the hotel, which is in the heart of the forest. So there you have it. I hope you found this visual guide for how to get to Alishan helpful.